flesh!
Oh my God! Give me hug, Johanna. Hug, Johanna. Hug, Johanna, till the morning come. Give me hug, Johanna. Hug, Johanna. Hug before the morning come.
Steve Allen this morning apparently was... Oh, Steve! Wow, hang on, John Colshaws on the phone. He's just texted, I'm retiring.
Yeah.
I'm retiring.
Like carry on after that.
Wow.
Michael Caine's Italian job tops the British films. I only told you to blow the bloody doors off.
I only told you to make the doors explode. Do you know who I am? I am called Michael Caine.
That is my name.
Yes. Not many people are aware of that.
Steve. It's quite accurate, that also. This is Michael Caine at Dental Studios. And it's possibly one of the best impressions I've ever done. I mean, I'm lucky because most of my impressions are spot on. For instance, I only told you to blow the bloody butler off. That sounded even worse.
Steve, what are you doing? And back goes the knighthood. So what happened was,
Right.
Boris just left the room, and you are, Boris, you're a lawyer.
I'm a lawyer.
Yeah. The coolest lawyer in the
Absolutely. Yeah.
The coolest lawyer.
Wow.
All right. Well,
engineer so that you could work on your race car. Do you understand how crazy that is?
When I was to be 10 years old, to be thinking that, well, I don't know. Apparently, yeah. So really, you're the one that's screwed, because if you're racing, if someone takes you out and then you're still... See, it's exhausting because I'm listening and I'm paying attention, I'm answering your questions, or I think most people can just go into sort of like... I love writing workouts. I think it's the artistic side of me. I like the balance and the flow of like creating something that has fluidity and makes sense, and there's good transitions through movements. So, I mean, I see your big rope gym going in, so I'd be happy to program for you too. But it's
I think that when you stop and you look back in your career, you'll take into...
You wrote it down. Yeah. Didn't she say something like, I promise you all that we'll record podcast 100 at Necker Island?
I hereby do promise, Pippa Taylor, that we will be going to Necker Island and visiting with Richard Branson's to celebrate the 100th podcast. Yeah. Signed, Pippa, she actually signed it on my notes. Signed Pippa.
Wow.
Balls.
No, on his notes.
Not my notes.
On his notes.
Not on the balls.
You lad.
I've got bad news from Necker Island.
Go on. And get this Necker thing finally sorted.
TBU1 ready?
TBU1.
What does TBU stand for?
Tele Balancing Unit.
Right, never knew.
Thank you.
Oh,
Richard Branson's.
expecting an international ringtone.
On the Palm Pilot to find out.
This is code for myself. I've written Habba, which essentially, for me, tells me that you would like to book Nectar around the 22nd of November.
So how would you write? Yeah, how would you write the word availability? If you you must be so frustrated.
I'm not used to this, so let's context for a long time first.
Right, okay, I don't really know what that meant or where it's going.
I'm back in.
As we're talking about you being frustrated from not seeing your girlfriend, and now you're on FaceTime to me.
I'm washing my hands of this feature.
And here's your host. Really good. I'm very, very well. And how are you? You are you at the Ritz?
Yeah, no. I'm in the
boring, painful part of my life ever. So I get to Friday and people will be like, have a great weekend. I'll be leaving the gym, have a great weekend. I'm like, it's the weekend, is it? Because it makes no difference to me. Tomorrow morning I'll get up. It's just another day where I can't eat or drink anything fun.
But that's good. If you're healthy during the week, then you can have fun at the weekend.
No, you can't. You've got the metabolism of a park bench.
What's that?
I think it's meant to be a shark, but it's actually a cruise. There's a lot of heavy
Are
breathing.
you drunk?
Yes.
I thought so. You got to be careful because you know what happens when you drink.
I can't get it up here.
No, that's not what I meant. So.
Like a birthday treat.
In all honesty,
Would I go on a
if
cruise
we
with
could
Dave
get
Hasselhoff?
on that cruise, would you do it?
Of course.
Me too.
I hate cruises. It's my idea
But
of
how
hell.
do you know?
But if there's a hot party on the
How
cruise,
do you know you hate cruises?
imagine I
You've never done one.
I get bored on ferries. I imagine for 2 weeks I'd want to jump off, I imagine.
David is on board with you for the duration of the cruise.
Have you found it?
Yes.
Great.
I found the fan package.
Well, I want to know all about it. The David Hasselhoff cruise sounds like it's right up my street. So what does it entail?
There's the fan package is a concert and a get together, an autograph session, an event evening with David in person in the large theatre,
Wow.
and many more fan moments.
Now, where does this cruise go from and go to?
It goes from the Costa Favolosa.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Where it goes to.
Oh, right. They keep that a closely guarded
Italy,
secret.
Spain, and France.
Beautiful. It's
Wow.
a European cruise with the Hoff.
The exclusive fan package. Oh, cruise, look at this.
Now, if you can't make the cruise, by the way, Dom,
Yeah.
by popular demand, I can reveal that 7 extra dates have been added to David Hasselhoff's 2018 German tour.
Oh.
Goes on Facebook Live and talks about the fact that he's going to be on the show. He then realizes it's meant to be a surprise.
That's what my calling was. And then along comes Knight Rider.
Oh,
And
man.
I mean, we got terrible reviews on Knight Rider, and they all made fun of it. And when I read it,
Why did you want to be flexible? Because I started doing knocking his head against the ceiling.
Now that we have petrol, we'll have the heating on again.
Yeah. That's not the right way to take that roundabout.
It's a naughty bus.
Wow.
Yeah, that's all. So you'd be fine.
I reckon there's about 1,800 calories in it.
No.
No. Well, how many in one sausage roll?
A couple of hundred, is it?
Now, what do you want to do with this sausage roll? It's not going to attract the tourists.
Meva gizzy, meva poo poo, that's what I call it.
Oh, wow.
I know where that toilet is. I don't ever guess.
Well, he's just described it so perfectly.
Yeah.
We all do now.
I know where it is, and I know what you mean.